It's pretty demoralizing. I think I'm probably just going to quit jiu-jitsu now.
I told everybody to roll with after him. I just got to my white belt.
Yeah. It's not actually white belt. What we're doing is a prank on Arwen. Arwen's here. He thinks he's doing a prank on us. So he's a black belt. He's going to wear a white belt. But we also have our black belts wearing white belts, and they're actually tricking him. So it's like Inception almost. It's going to be really good, I think.
The other guy, I went for a lasso. He caught me on like a perfect extemo lock right away, so I bailed.
I hope he doesn't think that I am a white belt. I was hoping he'd realize.
We have a special class today. We've got Arthur here. He brought some of the students. And I don't know if you guys watched the prank video we did back in the day, but it got 3 million views. And Arthur was the fake white belt, but he's actually a black belt. It was really entertaining, so it was a good time. And Arthur started his own YouTube channel, and it's really good. He's doing rolling commentaries and all sorts of stuff like that. And so we figured he'd come today, kind of like film like a vlog slash like some rolling footage and whatnot, and yeah, kind of promote his channel. So yeah, let's go and order a belt too. Yeah, let's do that.
Oh, okay. How are you?
Hi.
Here we go.
Expectedly, he takes out a blue belt with ease, but now he's got Darren, a black belt.
So I thought, put some headgear on, might hide my identity.
It ends up being a stalemate for a couple minutes, and I realize this prank may be harder to pull off than expected, so I separate them to allow for the next challenger to come in. Andrew Babcock, a black belt and pro mixed martial arts fighter. He's also the smallest black belt on our roster, and I'm hoping that'll create more action. And I'm right, Andrew passes the guard into a near side armbar. Even though submissions weren't allowed. But if there's one thing I know about MMA fighters, it's that they don't listen great. Arwen is taken out by a quote-unquote white belt. He again expectedly takes out a lower belt with ease. But now he has Blair, a black belt who teaches morning classes at my gym. A tough guy to deal with his long limbs and slick technique. Now it's time for rolling.
We're just gonna roll like some short rounds just so everyone can get like rolls in with each other, and then we're gonna do some like longer rounds, and everyone can roll as long as they want after those. But we'll only do 3-minute rounds, so it'll be really quick rounds like go, 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 short breaks, grab someone right away, and it'll be a good time. So hands up guys, 1, 2, 3.
And we put our biggest guys against Arwen first. First up is Ryan Gabory, a former pro MMA fighter. Arwen survives, but almost gets twisted. And next is Tom, another big guy you don't want to be on the bottom against. It also ends up being a stalemate for basically the whole round. Arwen is basically being Shark Tanked against black belts. And now he's got Harry, the only brown belt of the bunch posing as a white belt. Harry is relentless and has an obsession with leg locks. He won the last ADCC Toronto Open with 5 leg locks in a row to win gold. And he's done a great job taking advantage of Arwen's fatigue. Next up is Jeff, and while they roll, a word from our sponsor. Protein is essential for building, repairing, and maintaining muscle. And this is Transparent Labs 100% grass-fed whey protein isolate. It's my go-to protein powder. While many protein powders from other companies have fillers and artificial ingredients, Transparent Labs lives up to their name, with transparent labels and minimal ingredients that are the highest quality. Supplement smarter by making the switch to Transparent Labs.
How did you find rolling with the guys here at the gym?
It's pretty good. They have pretty legit guys here, from lower ranks to higher ranks. Don't matter.
And you're a black belt, actually, not a white belt?
Yes, I'm actually black belt, but you know, I'm a hobbyist, you know.
Arwen is being modest. He's actually a super talented black belt and gave me a really good roll after. I've seen him around the competition scene for years, just killing it. It's just not easy being Shark Tanked by black belts. I was exhausted rolling just 5 minutes with Arthur. Alright, now it's time for the big reveal.
So Arwen's not actually a white belt, he's a black belt. So just like when Arthur did the prank, you know, he came in to kick everyone's ass and made them question their sanity. And Arwin, how was it training with everyone here?
It's good. Everyone else is pretty good from white belt to like brown belt.
Did any of the white belts give you trouble?
Yeah.
A secret we got to reveal too. It's actually a double prank. A lot of the white belts are actually black belts. So you guys put your black belts on. Yeah, so if you're wondering why, you know, you're having a hard time with beginners, yeah, they're not quite beginners. And guys, one reason why we did this is for a good cause too. Harwood's son has...
He has level 3 autism, which needs a little bit of like therapy for him to catch up on his milestones, because he's like nonverbal, not anything. So this therapy will help him like catch up on those milestones and hopefully speak soon, because he's already like 3 and not even single word. So this IBI therapy will help him a lot for
I think I was a little bit too calm. I think I should have been a little bit spazzier, and that might have given it away.
He's a great guy. I've seen him in the competition circuit for a while. Heard nothing but good things about him, and he was fun to roll with as well.
I feel like after the first toe hold, he kind of was catching on a bit. So it was a good roll.
These are white belts that keep attacking like leg locks, toe holds, and knee bars. It's like they're not aggressive, which is like not the typical white belt mentality, like not the typical white belt. Plus their hip placement. I kind of like right away.
Sure, made so obvious.
I kind of know, but you know what? Like, it's for my kid. You're doing a great cause. Like whatever you need.
Thank you.
He's really, really talented. I was actually, I did manage to pass his guard. I was trying to get him in a twister. I thought that'd be a lot of fun to get him in a fun move like that. But he's legit. He's good. But it was a lot of fun. It's for a great cause, and that's what it's really about, is helping out a brother in the community. Jiu-Jitsu community is worldwide, and we're all together. So if one man has a problem, we're all there. So.